Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing an iPhone 13 Pro. So this is really cool, and let's start the video. So first we need to take this thing off. Put that to the side, and let's take this one off too. Now let's take the lid off. And this is our iPhone. So let's try to take it out. You can take this off. And it just peels off of this. This iPhone is kind of heavy. Really heavier than other models. I've seen others are way lighter than this. And the cameras, they're just come like this. There's no camera protection thing. So, in terms of weight, yeah, not really. This, I think, would be the silent mode button. And these are the volume buttons. This is the sleep button. Okay, so this is our nice little iPhone right here. And now we have this thing. Is there something inside? Oh, it's our Apple sticker and all these iPhone things that you normally get. And this, I don't know what this is, but I don't know what this is, and I can check the iPhone thing really quick. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about this metal thing. So, let's take the charger out. Alright, this is the charger. Nice long charger here. We got our USB-C side, of course, and our Lightning side to charge the iPhone. Let's see how it fits in the iPhone. Okay, it's a little hard to put it into the iPhone. It's definitely easier with the plastic models. I don't really like the choice of making the phone metal. It's really heavy. It's probably gonna make your pocket slouch a little. Yeah. So I guess this is all we have. In earlier models it came with an adapter, but I guess now it doesn't. It comes with some quick info on the back about what it contains, what it requires, some things you can get with it, and yeah, I guess that's the iPhone. This button to turn silent mode on and off is really small. There's of course the 3 cameras and the flash on the back. There's 3 cameras if you want to take a selfie, and of course the flash. This kind of reminds me of older phones, the ones with push buttons, and yeah. I guess that's all to this phone. I still couldn't figure out what this was. I can look it up and put it in the comments. And yeah, that's the unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.